welcome to the JK Today. Before I say a word, there they are. Little tree designs. I love these. These are so festive. And I started thinking about it. I'm like, I could maybe even pull these off for Valentine's. Well, anytime really. Or 4th of July. They don't have to just be Christmas. So if you haven't checked her out yet, go check her out. But my doorbell just rang and I'm like, who is ringing my doorbell in the morning? And I go to the door. Look what is sitting on my doorstep. OMG. Immediately, I got a smile on my face and was like, oh, it's Christmas! Because every year for, I don't even know how long, it's been a while, my aunt and uncle send us thunder muffins. Y'all. They are so good, and it just like, it got me so excited, and I cannot wait to dive in. They're massive. You saw how big they are. There's 6 of them, and I think 3 of us could probably eat on one of them, so they last, well, they don't last that long around here, but they do last probably almost a week. So excited. Do you need a closer look? Let me show you again. Look, how appropriate, my sign. God is great, God is good. Let us thank him for our food. Yes. And let me just thank my aunt and uncle once again for sending thunder muffins, because they make my Christmas every year.
Right now it's 6:14 and I waited another day, and now I can take the egg out.
If you're just joining us, check out yesterday's clip and we'll catch you up to speed. What are we looking at? What is that? Do not touch, that's for sure. What is it?
I saw this cool thing on YouTube that was like, you put an egg in a cup and then you put vinegar in it, and then you have to leave it in there for 24 hours.
We'll have to check back with you tomorrow at 6 o'clock, right? Mm-hmm. That's 24 hours from now.
I don't know.
Ooh, look at the shells in there.
Mm-hmm.
Pull it out.
So let's see, how are we gonna do this?
I guess get it with your hands.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's so cool.
Ew, what does it feel like? Is it smushy? It's like jelly.
I know.
Yeah. Hold it up to the light. See if you can see through it. Ooh, what is it doing? It's like shedding its...
I don't know.
Oh, you can kind of see the yolk in there. That's a neat little experiment, Emmy.
Now should I crack it?
You can't crack it. You can pop it. You want to pop it? Not on that side.
I'm scared it's gonna.
Ow!
Ah! The egg
There it went. It went down, and look. So it had just a little bit of covering, but it still was like gooky.
That was cool.
I went to Target today and I found a couple festive holiday things for Emily. I found her, look, this little romper. Isn't that so cute?
So I'm gonna try it on.
That's cute.
It's a little big, but I'll grow into it around Valentine's.
Maybe by Valentine's, huh? That's actually a 6X too.
Yeah.
That Cat and Jack brand we have found to run big.
Mm-hmm.
Can you, so the next size down?
6 extra large?
No, 6X. Crazy.
I know you've been eating a lot. The 6 extra large?
No. The size down that you need is a 4 or 5, Emily.
I do like how it's like just like hanging like that.
But that's perfect for your 3-inch heels.
Oh gosh, let's not rush things.
Right?
So, quick little tidbit. I had already come home and bought her all the 6X sizes, and then we went to gymnastics and I returned that one, because it was so big, I had got a 4 or 5, but now look at the pants. You expecting a flood? I think so, huh? So turn around, give me a spin. I think it's too short.
Yep.
Don't you think it's a little short? If the 6X had worked, then I had found this little sweater to put on top
Wait.
to make it so she wouldn't be so cold. What do you think? I don't know that I really like that sweater with it either. And I hate that because that black sparkly was her favorite one. Strike out. I like this one. I think this one's cute and it's got little sparkles on it. Do you like this one? Let's see, do a twist. Cute. I think that one's a keeper. What do you think?
Yeah.
So there you go, just a few little festive things to kick off the holiday parties, the holiday season. I think it's cute. So we asked our waitress what her favorite dishes were. We're at our Mexican restaurant, our favorite Mexican restaurant. And I don't know how to pronounce it. What are they called?
I don't know.
I don't know.
All right, here's what I'm about to eat. You ready?
Hold on. Mexican food challenge. Authentic. What is
What do you
that?
think that looks like? I'll tell you after she takes a bite. Somebody got a bowl.
What is it?
That's tongue.
So it is, here they are.
That's tongue, baby. This is intestine. Look at the hole. That's through.
Alright, so we have lingua something, which is
We'll
tongue.
get her to tell us what it is.
We have intestines, and we have, I don't know what it is, something over there. But
That's liver. Can you remind me tell me what these are again. Say it again. Gripa. What's that one? Lingua. So there's only two.
So there's 2 of those and then that
But what
one.
is it?
Okay.
So this is the intestine?
Both of these.
Are both of those your intestine?
And that's tongue.
Okay.
Ah.
I just ate it.
Whoa, good.
Okay.
Delicious. We have 2 of them that are intestines, and one is tongue.
Okay, so this is
I don't know if I'm gonna try that or not, but they tried it.
These two are intestines.
Oh, that's the one I wanted. I want to take a bite of that.
oh, there'll be more.
How is it?
Okay, you ready?
That's lingua.
So this is tongue.
Lingua.
Very good.
Yeah.
It's a delicate meat. It's
Oh,
very,
yeah.
It's a delicate meat.
It is.
Hey,
That one.
remember that. My tongue is delicate, baby. That's delicate meat right here. All right, tripa right here.
Tripa.
This is. What did y'all think about these?
Intestines.
What did you think about the intestines? Did you like it?
Nikki was
I
not a
didn't
big
like
fan
it.
of that. Wes, did you like that one?
It was okay. It was a different flavor, but I liked it.
Hey,
I think Kelley should try it.
it
I think
smells
I
like
should
chicken.
try it too. It does taste like
Try
chicken
it.
too.
Try it. Peer
Try
pressure.
it.
No.
Try it. Go,
I
go,
can't,
go.
like,
Chicken. Chicken.
I can't do it.
Hey, if I did it, come on. Try it.
You don't have taste buds.
I do too. I can
This one, I think you do.
Okay, guys, that is like. I'm about to eat what I know is legit over here. My campechano is what I got, and Jay got an El Pastor. We're about to chow down on something we know. Oh, Caroline's trying it.
Hold on, Caroline's
Really good.
Is it
Is it
good?
good?
Is it good? She
Hey.
likes it. She likes it.
Okay, you got it.
Does she know what she ate?
No,
don't
shut
tell
up. Try this.
Beef.
Beef. All right, try this one. No, it's not spicy, not at all. I'm so yay, girl, way to go.
I would never try that.
Is it good? Emily, you want to try
I
it?
didn't like that.
Madelyne?
It is weird. I didn't like that one.
That's because it's freaking intestine. Okay, guys, I'm done. Like,
I have been pressured into trying one of them. and oh, I don't know. But before I do that, let me show you what I am eating. This is campanchana, which is sausage and beef, and then that is al pastor, which is pork. Both very, very good.
That's me and my mom. Oh wait, you're cheating. Look, he's like dousing it up with like spices and thyme and all that. They ate it like
Alright, so I'm about to try this one right here.
really good.
Lingua. I don't know. If y'all never see me again, you know why. No, very good. I didn't even eat any yet.
No, you didn't. What do you think? It's not bad, right?
Tender.
It's not bad.
It's actually really good. If I didn't know what it was, I would eat the whole thing. But it's very, very tender and kind of mushy. But it's good.
I thought tongues were crispy.
I did too, but it's not. 2 thumbs up for it.
So you're not gonna try the?
No, I'm saving that one for you.
No. Friend, I can't do it. Or scared, Jay? Yeah.
Yes, I am scared of that one. Yes, very, very, very scared.
Kudos to you guys.
But that was pretty good. I'll give them 2 thumbs up for that. So, good job for the linguine. Lingua.
Tongue and intestines.
Oh, you're evil. I ate tongue and intestines.
And Reese tried it too, and he said it was really good.
What'd you think about it, Reese?
It was okay, but I'm gross.
Emily won't try it, Madelyne won't try it, and wherever Bennett went, he won't try it.
No, we didn't. 4 out of 5 of us are smart.
So how was the little extra tacos we got?
They were interesting.
Yeah.
What was it? Tongue and intestines?
Yeah.
The intestines?
Lingua and tripa.
No.
The tripa was the intestine.
Yeah, I think, the lingua.
Lingua. That's the only way I can remember.
That was the tongue. That was really good.
Yeah, Wes was like, he goes lingua. I think of like language.
Language, tongue, talking.
Yeah.
The lingua was really good. The other, I just, no, it was kind of mushy and really, yeah, the texture of it was not, I don't know, it was really,
I can't. I can't. No, I
I had
can't
to
do
spit
it.
it out in my napkin.
And Caroline's
Sorry.
expression, y'all, when we said that was absolutely hilarious. She just thought they were just other
Regular
tacos.
beef
like,
tacos.
And we added just like the lime juice and cilantro and, you know, some other stuff. Like, that was priceless.
It was.
Oh my goodness. Another Friday night Mexican in the books.
And we're back to normal.
Oh, back to normal.
Praise
It's
be to God.
So
Life
nice.
is getting back to normal.
Yes, and look at her hair. It looks amazing. It's growing. She's been doing the
Got my
collagen.
gray hair.
Oh, but it's so sexy. I like it.
Collagen rules.
Yes, it does.
We are so excited tonight for Mr.
Oh, wait a minute. I am not.
Wesley, the singer Barnett, is here tonight.